In this video, I'm gonna get rid of my worn out insulation so my engine bay can go from looking like this to looking like this. Before I start, if you're new here and like RX8 videos, then definitely consider subscribing. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna disconnect the battery and take it out. Next, I'm gonna remove the bolts holding my strut tower bar and take it out. Next up, I'm gonna move this hose on the side and remove the 3 bolts from the ECU cover, take it out and lean it on the side. Now I have to remove the plastic nut holding down the insulation. With that done, it's time to disconnect all connectors. And since I did a air pump delete, you can't see many. If you like the way it looks, I'll leave a link in the description so you can see how I did it. Next up, it's finally time to start removing the insulation. This wire is in the way, so to remove it, I have to remove the bolt holding it. Along with that, also a plastic clip in the front that's holding down the insulation. And with those two out, I can easily take out the whole thing. Next, it's time to remove the Sean adapter, another great mod I recommend doing if you haven't yet. So nothing more than 2 bolts holding it down, and with them removed, it easily comes off. Time to remove this plastic nut holding the insulation, the one above it, and the 2 ones on the other side. Now I can start pulling out the insulation from the other side, but first I need to remove the last plastic pin holding it down. With that done, I can continue to remove it, but since it's very worn, it just came apart. So now I can take the fuse cover off, pull out the front side, and since it was torn, I tore the remaining bit so I could easily take it out. Next, it's time to remove my catch can to make some space. With that done, I have to remove the upper nut holding this bracket so I can slide out the insulation. The central insulation piece has seen better days, so since I'm not reusing it, I'm gonna take a utility knife and cut it so I can speed up the removal process and also make it a lot easier. So now it's time to take out the insulation piece by piece. And with the last plastic nut removed, it's also time to take out the last piece of insulation. The strut bar bracket's color has been clashing with my engine bay from the day it was installed, so I think it's time to take it out, sand it, clean it, and paint it with a nice gloss black color. With all the coats applied, I'm gonna let this dry through the night, and in the meanwhile, I'm gonna clean the engine bay to really make the final result stand out. And we're done! With all the dirt, debris and semen removed, the engine bay shines once again. So now let's put in the new painted strut tower brackets and see the final result. And oh my god, this looks stunning! I can't believe I waited so long to do this. I'm super happy with the result. So let me know what you guys think. Also, if you already did this mod, send me a picture so I can feature it on my Instagram and Facebook. And finally, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on new RX8 videos.